Greetings from the Sunshine State. Welcome to Jane's Lab. Today I'll be doing another experiment. After doing this one the other day with liquid glass, DecoArt liquid glass, I decided to try some other colors and use my cloud mix again. But in this one I used liquid glass and Floetrol with the paints. So this time I'm just going to use liquid glass with these paints, Artist Loft. Now they're called Soft Body, but I do have two old bottles when it used to be called Flow Acrylic. So I have metallic gold, and the consistency that I like for cloud pours is thick, but it still runs off the stick. So metallic gold, this is metallic silver, this is violet, and then my favorite custom color, blue with a little bit of black, and it makes this beautiful, rich, dark teal, almost a navy blue color. I'll put the recipe for the cloud mix in the description box below. I have a little bit left from a previous pour, and then I have some more made up. And I made this up a few days ago. I like it to sit and let the chemicals and all the ingredients interact with each other and fuse together. I find it works a lot better. There's more of a reaction if the cloud mix sits for a few days. And I did try a test with these colors using my cloud mix, but I stuck my fingers on it just a minute ago. But you can see that there are some cells that popped up. This is the teal, the custom color. This is the silver. The violet I smeared, but there were some cells. And there were some cells in the gold as well. So that's my plan. And this is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. So we'll see what happens. So I love the results using liquid glass as my pouring medium. This looks like it could be an opal pattern or a Paua shell or abalone shell. And I didn't care for the gold against the cloud mix, and so I got out the balloons and applied little balloon kisses. So I think it looks very dainty now. But the DecoArt liquid glass seems to react with the cloud mix and create boulders, but also creates clearly defined lines and some cells. So I like the combination of all the three, plus the multicolored cells that it creates. So it's very interesting. I used basically 1 part DecoArt glass to 1 part Artist Loft soft body, and then adjusted so that it would drip off the stick, but it was still thick. So I think that's how I was able to get these boulders, by using the thick paint, the thick consistency. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. And that's it for today. Enjoy the day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.